Today we are going to know about the artificial intelligence. First thing which comes in our mind when we think about the artificial intelligence is, number 1. What is artificial intelligence? And how did it works? Today I would try to give you answers of all such types of questions occurs in your mind about artificial intelligence technology. Let's start. Question: define the artificial intelligence. A&S, the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. Question: what is artificial intelligence in simple words? A&S, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, involves using computers to do things that traditionally require human intelligence. AI can process large amounts of data in ways that humans cannot. The goal for AI is to be able to do things like recognize patterns, make decisions, and judge like humans.
The general problem of simulating or creating intelligence has been broken down into subproblems. These consist of particular traits or capabilities that researchers expect an intelligent system to display. The traits described below have received the most attention. Number 1. Reasoning, problem solving. Number 2. Knowledge representation. Number 3. Learning. Number 4. Natural language processing. Number 5. Perception. Number 6. Social intelligence. Number 6. General intelligence.
Applications: where to apply artificial intelligence. AI is relevant to any intellectual task. Modern artificial intelligence techniques are pervasive and are too numerous to list here. Frequently, when a technique reaches mainstream use, it is no longer considered artificial intelligence. This phenomenon is described as the AI effect. In the 2010s, AI applications were at the heart of the most commercially successful areas of computing and have become a ubiquitous feature of daily life. AI is used in search engines such as Google Search, targeting online advertisements, recommendation systems offered by Netflix, YouTube, or Amazon, driving internet traffic, targeted advertising, AdSense, Facebook, virtual assistants such as Siri or Alexa, autonomous vehicles, including drones, ADAS and self-driving cars, automatic language translation, Microsoft Translator, Google Translate, facial recognition, Apple's Face ID or Microsoft's Deep Face, image labeling, used by Facebook, Apple's iPhoto and TikTok, spam filtering and chatbots, such as ChatGPT. There are also thousands of successful AI applications used to solve problems for specific industries or institutions. A few examples are energy storage, deepfakes, medical diagnosis, military logistics, or supply chain management. Game playing has been a test of AI strength since the 1950s. Deep Blue became the first computer chess playing system to beat a reigning world chess champion, Garry Kasparov, on 11 May 1997, in 2011, in a Jeopardy! Quiz show exhibition match. IBM's question answering system, Watson, defeated the two greatest Jeopardy! champions, Brad Rutter and Ken Jennings, by a significant margin. In March 2016, AlphaGo won 4 out of 5 games of Go in a match with Go champion Lee Sedol, becoming the first computer Go playing system to beat a professional Go player without handicaps. By 2020, natural language processing systems such as the enormous GPT-3 were matching human performance on pre-existing benchmarks, albeit without the system attaining a common-sense understanding of the contents of the benchmarks. Smart traffic lights. Smart traffic lights have been developed at Carnegie Mellon since 2009. Professor Stephen Smith has started a company since then, Sertrac, that has installed smart traffic control systems in 22 cities. It costs about $20,000 per intersection to install. Drive time has been reduced by 25% and traffic jam waiting time has been reduced by 40% at the intersections it has been installed.
Artificial intelligence in future. A superintelligence, hyperintelligence, or superhuman intelligence is a hypothetical agent that would possess intelligence far surpassing that of the brightest and most gifted human mind. Superintelligence may also refer to the form or degree of intelligence possessed by such an agent. If research into artificial general intelligence produced sufficiently intelligent software, it might be able to reprogram and improve itself. The improved software would be even better at improving itself, leading to recursive self-improvement. Its intelligence would increase exponentially in an intelligence explosion and could dramatically surpass humans. Science fiction writer Werner Ving named this scenario the singularity. Because it is difficult or impossible to know the limits of intelligence or the capabilities of superintelligent machines, the technological singularity is an occurrence beyond which events are unpredictable or even unfathomable. Robot designer Hans Moravec, cyberneticist Kevin Warwick, and inventor Ray Kurzweil have predicted that humans and machines will merge in the future into cyborgs that are more capable and powerful than either. This idea, called transhumanism, has roots in Aldous Huxley and Robert Ettinger. Edward Fredkin argues that artificial intelligence is the next stage in evolution, an idea first proposed by Samuel Butler's Darwin Among the Machines as far back as 1863, and expanded upon by George Dyson in his book of the same name in 1998.